So these are the ingredients you need for your Moroccan base soap. I have my distilled water, these 2 liters of distilled water, this palm kernel oil, PKO, the transparent one, these 3 liters. This is my methanol, 1 liter, my vegetable, sorry for that noise, this is my vegetable glycerin, this is my potassium hydroxide. They also call this caustic potash. Okay, so these are the ingredients I'll be needing to formulate this Moroccan base soap. I'm using one hand to hold my phone, that is why. So I'll start by going in with my water. First. So I've already added my caustic soda. Sorry, my potassium hydroxide, caustic potash. So you stir very well. The thing is very hot, so you need to be very careful when formulating this. Make sure it doesn't come in contact with your skin, okay? So you keep on stirring till it becomes very white, okay? That is till it becomes transparent. So as you can see, it's already transparent, like it's already having water color. So I'll go in with my PKO, kernel oil, okay? Just have to be very careful. Honestly, the thing is so hot. I don't want it to splash on me. I'm using one hand to hold my phone so you can see everything. I'm supposed to be turning it as I'm pouring this one, but I'm using one hand to hold my phone. So I've added my 3 liters of PKO. So you keep stirring. You stir. Make sure you stir very well. Keep on stirring. This is where the main work starts. You stir very well till it becomes paste. Okay? So you keep stirring. This thing is so hot, honestly. While formulating this, you have to be very careful so that it won't burn your skin because it's so hot. So you keep stirring. So I've added my methanol, my 1 liter of methanol. I'm still stirring. So this is the final look. This is the final result of our Moroccan base soap. I already added color to this. I want to make this for someone, okay? So that is why you're seeing some particle of a orange color here. So this soap, you can customize it to any kind of soap you want: whitening soap, black soap, kiddie soap, and all that. So if you want to learn further of how you can activate this soap to become any kind of soap that you want, type it in the comment section, okay? So see you in my next video. You can see how fluffy and strong it is. So this you can incorporate anything you want, and